The fuel petcock is right here attached to this steering column, so for ease of access rather than having to lift the hood of the car every time you wanted to shut the fuel, which is recommended by Buick in the reference manual. First gear is straight back. The heat option disconnected because you don't need to preheat modern fuels as they did back in 1928. Ammeter's reading about 10 amps, 12 amps right now, oil pressure at 33. In first gear, release the parking brake, and we're ready to, well, let's turn on the parking lights, ready to roll. Alright, there's first. Second. I'm not going to put it into third until we get out onto the highway. About 30 miles an hour. Now I'm in second. Again, we'll demonstrate a standing start, so step on the brake here, full stop, put it in first gear. Clutch is nice and smooth. Second gear. Third gear. Brakes are quiet. I adjust the brakes by feeling the temperature of each drum when I get out after a drive. Anything that's hot, I'll loosen the shoes a bit, and anything that's on the cool side, I'll tighten the shoes a little bit. There's two adjusting nuts on each band, and you try to adjust both evenly. But lately, the temperature of the brakes has been pretty uniform, and I had not adjusted it. Found no need to adjust them. Shifting without grinding requires some awareness of the speed of the engine and the speed of the wheels. It is of course possible